Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Yeah, today I'm cleaning my room, like literally right now. There's also going to be a room tour at the end, so let's get into it. So here's the before. Go, focus. Here's the before. Yeah, pretty messy. So I'm gonna start with this girl. It may look cool, but it's annoying. I brought a laundry basket in so I can put all this junk in there. Oh good. Okay, so now that all of the clothes that were on the floor are in the basket, it's time to get the other stuff. So yeah, we got all the clothes off the floor and they're in there. Clean up the garbage off the floor here. Oh no. Do you know what that is? Next thing I'm getting is shoes because I have a lot of them on the floor. 3 pairs to be exact. So, grab these girls. Put them there. Grab these girls. So, put them there. Time to get rid of this too. Oops. Ooh, let me close my door. Next thing that I'm cleaning is my dresser. Ugly. This girl. So I've been hanging my jewelry right here behind my Mac because I saw someone do this on YouTube and it looks really cute. But I ran out of little clear tacks, so now I need more space. Like I'm gonna take them out to here, but I ran out of tacks, so I can't do it. Hang all of these clothes up. All clean, kind of. Not very cute, but clean. Next, we hang all of these. So, all hung up and ready to be put in the closet. So my closet is actually pretty color-coded, but you can't really tell. So I'm gonna just sort all of these by color. Okay, everything's in there. You can't really tell there's a difference. By the way, every hanger in there is full. It's so bad. And I even have something left over, so I guess this is dirty now. If I put clothes on Depop, would you buy them? Let me know and comment down below because I need to get rid of clothes so that I can get more. So, hello, if you skipped ahead. Okay, whatever. Hi, so if you skipped ahead and came to the room tour part of this video, hi, welcome, and if you didn't and you watched all that, congrats, you made it to the room tour. Let's get started. Right when you walk in my room, if you turn around, you have the door, and it's covered in stickers because I collect stickers. Yeah, there's tons of them. I'm not gonna look at them all. So, we're gonna go this way first. So once you come in, it looks like this. You may or may not have seen it on Pinterest before, because yeah, that's my picture in case you were wondering. So, over here, you come, and right here we got this ukulele, which is from I think somewhere in Florida. I think it's Ron John Surf Shop. Yeah, it is Ron John Surf Shop. And then got Drake's album, an XXXTentacion one. I ordered another one literally 3 months ago. I think it's supposed to be shipped out like today, so it came. Hopefully another one will come and we can put it right there and move that down. Anyways, I got some Christmas lights. They're from Target. And we come over to this corner and I have this dream catcher from like forever ago. Don't know where it's from. A map that my mom bought off of Facebook of New York. I think that's really cool. I got a plant from Lowe's. It's kind of dying, and I do water it, but it just kind of is dying. Then I got this record player, which is so dusty, it's horrible. But it's from Urban Outfitters. I got a picture of my mom. Then over here, a plant from IKEA and Bath and Body Works candle. That was a gift. Got all of these Polaroids up here. There's so many of them. Over here we've got a book and a little crystal. And then a wax warmer, which is from Yankee Candle. One of these lamps. I think it's from Target. And this is a basket of chapsticks. Oh, and then my dresser. It's from IKEA. I don't recommend it because if you look, it's like slanting in the middle. So like when I take mirror selfies here, it looks like I like Facetune it or something because the back is slanty. But it's really just like collapsing in the middle, as you can see. So weird. So no, I would not recommend that dresser, even though it's cute. It's slanting in the middle. Over here we have the famous corner. It's famous twice. It used to be set up a different way, and that has like 50,000 pins on Pinterest. And now this picture of it like this has literally like 30. It's crazy. So this blanket is from Costco. I think this set with those sheets are from Target. I don't really know. This pillow is from Home Goods, and I think that one is too. The vines are from Amazon. They're like the ones that everyone on YouTube has. The mirror's from Target. Those shelves are from Urban Outfitters, and all the plants are from all over. I can't tell you where they're all from. Probably TJ Maxx. And here we have curtains from Bed Bath & Beyond. More lights that are from Target. Another little hanging plant up there. TJ Maxx. We have a mirror and some makeup brushes. Don't know where those are from, probably TJ Maxx. My computer, other computer. I have all of those necklaces hanging up there. Back here we have an Alexa. And then I have this little like G-Wagon because I think it's adorable. I ordered it off of Amazon. My phone. This really cool clear chair. I don't know where it's from. And then my desk is from IKEA. We have the 9 drawers from IKEA. Some books, some plants, a Polaroid camera, my Canon camera. Then I have up here some more lights from Target. They're just like star lights. Brandy Melville sign from the Brandy Melville store with more little fairy lights around it. There's a lamp there. It has a hue light on it. It's really ugly, but just it makes my room colors, so I leave it there. There's my chair from Pottery Barn with my blanket from Target and pillows from Target. We have this mirror from IKEA, and the vines are the same ones that are on that wall from Amazon. And there's fairy lights in there too. Oh. My sunglasses are up here. They're from all over the place. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. That's all I have to say for now. So I just want to end the video here and say I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, you can subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Also, you can comment what you'd like to see next to my channel, or follow me on all my social medias, which are also in the end of the video and in the description. Hope you enjoyed. I will see you next week.